Just over 10 years ago, the University of Wisconsin-Stout decided to create a program that was unlike anything we saw anywhere in the state or the region. It was the Game Design and Development Program. What we were trying to do is simulate what you find in industry. Computer scientists, artists, and designers all working together around a single project to create something and ship it out to the world. We're doing the exact same thing here, and we've been doing it for 10 years, and we're already over 500 students in the program.
Game design really starts with first understanding the player and what influences them and what motivates them. And from there, we can work on building game mechanics, game spaces, and game art to create a final product that achieves what we want it to.
It's all about creating an experience for other people to enjoy. I very much say it's part of the entertainment industry. You're limited only by your imagination. You can make anything you want. It's a very interactive experience for anybody to come in, just step into another world and experience whatever you want them to, very hands-on.
Game design is a collaborative effort with a team of people who have majored in graphic design and animation, and they all come together to make these games. It's like a puzzle almost, they kind of just fit together.
There's different skills and assets that other people have coming together to make one giant project for people to look at, and that's honestly a really good feeling once someone else is enjoying your hard work.
We have to make sure that we're in a lot of heavy communication in order to just make sure that all the gears are turning together. I mean, that's not necessarily easy because on my team, for example, we have 5 programmers and 6 artists. We have 3 leaders. I'm the producer on our team. We also have a programming lead and an art lead, and that's a lot of people to collaborate with, coming from all sorts of different mindsets.
Honestly, communication is the biggest thing that you can pull out of this major, and you can go places with that, honestly.
I can go pretty much anywhere I want. I feel like I have a lot of options having done this program at Stout.
Now 10 years later, the Game Design and Development Program has grown, won awards across the country, and we've placed students across the country too. Not just in video games, but in visualization, architecture, as well as medical. But we knew we shouldn't stop there. It isn't just a game or a sport, but a team effort between academics, student life, and athletics.
We currently compete in 3 different games: Rocket League, Overwatch, and League of Legends, with 33 student athletes in our program enrolled in numerous different majors. We are a member of NAATZ, the National Association of Collegiate Esports, and we participate in several elite-level collegiate tournaments hosted around the country.
The gameplay is faster, it's more precise, there's more planning, but more than anything, it's the communication. You're not there playing just for yourself. You know for a fact that you have your teammates to back you up when you have a mistake. That's not only comforting, but it's just it's a really fun way to play the game and to meet people and make friends. Trust is a really important part of our team play.
In high school, I played a lot of soccer. I really enjoyed being part of a team and competing towards a unique goal that everyone was trying to achieve. I also, on the side, loved playing video games. In my freshman year, actually, I put on an unofficial, we were the unofficial team for Stout before Stout had an established esports program. 2 years later, come to find out that Stout is actually coming out with a official collegiate League of Legends team, and I knew the second that I saw the poster that I had to join.
Our teams are coached by exceptionally knowledgeable and skilled student athletes, and that's really given our program the opportunity to compete at the most elite level, and even given them the opportunity to earn cash prizes for their tournament performances.
The role of an esports coach is the exact same of that of any other sport. Coming up with the different plays that you would be going for, working on the team bonding aspects within the team, working on communication and saying what people are doing at specific times. Those are all very important in a normal sport, and those same concepts also apply to esports.
There's many things that match and fit with what we're doing in athletics that are similar to esports. Esports is gaming, but it's competitive. There's code of conduct, there's expectations, there's outside competition. There's a lot of things that are similar, and we understand that, especially in the recruiting process and finding top athletes.
The esports team actually played an important role in what school I decided to go to. I really had a hard time deciding because there's so many good schools, especially for mathematics and computer science. And I think what really drew me to Stout was the idea that there could be an esports team there. So I'm very fortunate that in my senior year I was able to join the team, and participate, because it really was my dream to participate in college.